家好，我係 Polly，歡迎翻到嚟我嘅 channel。咁我之前咧就出咗條澳洲20個 slangs 嘅 video 啦，咁都真係幾爆嘅。咁所以咧，我今日想帶大家認識另外20個嘅澳洲 slangs 啦。咁等你咧同一啲 Aussie 嘅朋友啊，或者你去 supermarket 啊，或者你生活上咧都會有用嘅。不過咧喺我開始之前咧，就想講翻之前上一集臨最尾講嗰5個 slangs 俾大家估啦。咁第一個咧就係 loo， 咁即係等於廁所咁解。I wanna go to the loo， 即係我想去洗手間啦。第二個 ta， 即係 thank you 咁解。第三個 mossy， 即係 mosquitoes， 即係蚊。第四個 buggered， 即係等於 super tired， 非常之攰咁解。咁第五個咧就係 bloody， 咁 bloody 即係純粹一啲 strong expression， 或者有啲人嬲。例如 take a bloody thing， 拎翻你嘅嘢啦。咁第一個想同大家分享咧就係 Cricky。咁你可能會聽到鱷魚先生 Steve Irwin 都講過 Cricky there's a big crop。Cricky 即係哎呀哇，即係一啲好 shock 嘅感嘆詞啦。你見到一啲好驚訝或者好震撼嘅時候會講出嚟。例如 Cricky is 40 degrees today， 即係哇今日成40度。第二 devil 即係 definitely 嘅簡寫啦。
Yes。Definitely.
例如你聽到有朋友問你嚟唔嚟 BBQ 啊？咁你就會答佢 devil， 即係一定嚟啦咁解。咁澳洲人咧好中意講縮寫嘅，所以 devil 即係 definitely。第三 flat out 即係忙到飛起啦。如果你問 Aussie 朋友點解唔覆你信息啦，咁佢可能話 sorry mate been flat out at work， 即係唔好意思啊，最近做嘢忙到癲咗，勁忙。第四 hips 即係好多或者勁多咁解。例如佢哋會講 thanks hips，即係 thank you very much 咁解，又或者咧，你可以喺句子中間講 There were heaps of people at the beach today。今日個沙灘勁多人。第五個 lappy， 呢個好簡單嘅 lappy 等於 laptop。咁如果你喺 uni 即係大學入邊見到人哋講 I forgot my lappy， 即係我唔記得咗帶手提電腦啦。咁即係 lappy 手提電腦咁解。第六個 no drama 即係唔緊要冇問題。例如你遲咗還車啊，或者遲到，對方就會講 no drama mate all good， 即係話唔使擔心冇事 all fine。第七個 snack 即係 sausage 香腸，成日都會喺 BBQ 都會見到嘅。咁例如佢哋會講 chuck a snack on a Barbie， 即係放條香腸喺 Barbie 嗰度。咁有時你哋喺公園見到佢哋 BBQ 咧，都會放香腸啊去燒，咁嗰啲香腸咧就係 snack 啦。咁另一個 side track 咧就想講佢哋有一個好出名嘅 Bunnings sausage 啦，類似 hot dog 嘅嘢。咁我哋以前香港而家家私都會有一啲好平嘅 hot dog，咁佢哋咧就會放喺 Bunnings。咁 Bunnings係一間好大嘅 warehouse 啦，咁佢係買一啲家具啊、屋企愛嚟整嘢嘅工具咁樣。咁以上嘅 slangs 你聽過幾多個咧？留言話俾我知啦。咁你以為完未完嘅？咁因為之前嗰幾條片咧，我有好幾個英文讀錯啦，咁所以咧我最近咧就揾到一個超正嘅學語言嘅 website 啦，叫做 iTalki。咁佢真係幫我英文 speaking 進步咗好多嘅，咁所以我誠意推介俾大家。咁你可以自己揀老師啦，根據你嘅目標、興趣去上1對1嘅課程。咁完全係 personalize， 根據你嘅需要啦，唔同以前一大班一 group 人一齊學咁樣。咁老師咧會即時俾 feedback 你啦，糾正你嘅發音、句式，令你進步得好快好多嘅。例如你係想準備自己嘅 meeting 啦，或者 presentation 啦，又或者準備自己嘅英文考試 IELTS、TOEFL 呢啲，全部都可以揾合適你嘅老師去幫你準備。咁我最中意個 part 咧就係可以同到 native speaker 去對話啦，練習真實嘅 conversation， 而唔係齋死睇書啊、背單字啊、睇 YouTube 咁樣學。咁你亦都可以揾到澳洲、英國、美國、法國等等唔同嘅老師去幫助初學者更加容易去理解同埋更有信心嘅。咁因為真係同 native speaker 去傾偈啦，咁所以我嘅 listening 啦、聽力同埋講嘢 speaking 都進步咗好多。
Usually for older people, or it's people that are maybe a couple generations above me, because younger people, we have our own specific things. You know, especially in Sydney, like we have our own slangs, we have our own ways of communication, but a lot of the more stereotypical, you know, the ones that maybe people are familiar with, like stubby, you know, that's usually for the generation before us, or maybe the generation after that, like, you know what I mean, like it's more older people. So yeah.
So stubby basically means
It's basically a beer. It's a bottle or a can of beer. It can be both. It comes from like the 1950s, because stubby, the word itself, like by etymology, it means to be kind of short and like a bit thick.
咁呢個平台咧有超過3萬位老師，咁真係世界各地都會有。咁你可以用 filter search 老師啦，揾到最啱自己風格同埋時間嘅老師。Morning lesson、夜晚嘅 lesson 都可以 book 到嘅。咁啱晒我呢啲返 shift 嘅人啦。咁最正咧係佢以堂計錢嘅，冇 subscription， 想隨時學、幾時 book， 彈性都係超高嘅。咁仲可以咧用手機 app 上堂啦。咁 app 仲會提你上堂時間添，超方便。咁如果你都想開始試下你嘅 language 學習旅程咧，咁就記得 click 下面 description 入邊嗰條 link 啦，用我嘅 promo code 去註冊啦。咁買10蚊嘅堂就會額外送5蚊 extra 第一堂嘅 credit 俾你啦。不過記住，優惠只限頭50位用戶，咁快啲去試下啦。咁翻到嚟繼續講我哋嘅 slangs 啦。第8個 Australia 即係 Australia 嘅 Aussie 發音啦，咁唔係串錯嘅，真係讀 Australia。咁啲人會話 I love Australia， 即係我超愛澳洲，即係 I love Australia 咁解。咁其實都差唔多讀音嘅。咁第9 Stubby 即係一啲細支嘅啤酒啦，即係 beer bottle。咁佢哋 BBQ 嘅時候咧，或者去沙灘嘅時候就會攞一啲 Stubby 咁樣啦。咁佢哋亦都有啲叫做 Stubby holder， 即係嗰啲保溫杯套裝住啲啤酒。咁其實唔係保溫嘅，純粹係即係一個套裝住佢哋支啤酒 bottle 嘅啫。第10啦 Sunnies 我諗大家都估到啦，即係太陽眼鏡咁 sunglasses。Don't forget your sunnies, it's gonna be hot today。記得帶翻你副太陽眼鏡啦，今日又曬又熱。咁第11個啦就係 bathers。咁通常喺澳洲嘅南部地區啦 swimsuit 咧唔係叫 swimsuit 或者 beach wear 嘅，佢哋叫 bathers。咁例如咧佢哋會講 Don't forget your bathers, we're going for a swim。唔記得你個泳衣啊，我哋而家去游水。第12啦 booze bus。咁呢個唔係啲咩 party 嘅巴士啦，咁其實真正嘅意思咧係一啲警方攔截人哋做酒精測試嘅巡邏車啦。例如 There's a booze bus on the highway, better be careful if you had a drink。咁我都試過咧，就喺 Surfers Paradise 嗰度咧有警察攔截啦，然後就叫我做酒精測試啦。咁其實同香港做吹波仔嗰啲酒精測試差唔多嘅啫，冇乜 difference。咁佢當你 negative 嘅時候咧就會俾你走噶啦。咁第13 The Bush。咁澳洲人話 the bush， 咁其實唔係即係等於樹，例如咁即係指城市以外嗰啲荒郊地區啦、叢林或者鄉郊。They live out in the bush, far from the city。咁即係佢哋住好遠，離城市好遠咁解啦。第14 chocolate bicky， 咁即係一啲幾 Q 嘅講法啦。chocolate bicky 即係等於 chocolate biscuit 咁解啦。咁你最中意嘅 Australian chocolate bicky 會唔會係 Tim Tam 咧？第15啦 chook 即係等於 female chicken 啦，即係形容啲母雞咁解。有時咧佢哋亦都會形容一啲年紀比較大嘅女士啦。The old chook next door bakes great scones。咁隔離屋嘅女人咧就識整好味嘅 scones 啦，即係嗰啲鬆餅。咁去到第16啦 Chrissy 即係等於 Christmas 或者 Chrissy。
Wanna go Christmas shopping? I do! All right, the mall. Go get your money.
咁澳洲人咧都係好中意將啲字簡短啦。We're going to a restaurant for Christmas lunch。我哋去一個餐廳 for Christmas lunch 啦。咁我亦都有聽過 Christmas 啦，即係形容一啲好聖誕嘅嘢。第17啦 Ciggy 即係 cigarettes。咁我覺得都幾類似嘅。例如佢哋會話 Got a ciggy mate？ 有冇一支 cigarette 啊？有冇支煙可以借嚟用下？第18啦 Cody 即係形容一啲凍飲啦，咁可以係啤酒啦或者汽水啦。咁澳洲人咧都好中意飲凍啤嘅，例如佢哋就會話 Let's crack open a Cody after work。咁有時咧佢哋啲tradie 啦或者啲放早嘅人咧就會好中意去 pub 或者 bar 嗰度咧飲杯啤酒先翻屋企嘅。第19啦 hard yakka 即係形容啲辛苦工作或者粗重功夫啦，咁源自係一啲澳洲原居民嘅語言啦。例如佢哋會話 I've been working for the whole day, I've put a lot of hard yakka today。 即係我今日翻咗全日工啦 ，put 咗好多嘅 effort 或者時間精力去做嘢啦。咁第20咧就係 croc， 咁其實直接等於 crocodile 鱷魚咁解。咁澳洲係真係會有嘅。例如佢哋會話 Watch out for the croc in this area。咁呢一個地區入邊咧就小心有鱷魚啦。而家好啦，以上咧就係今集20個你一定要識嘅 澳洲 slangs part 2。咁你哋最中意邊一個 slangs 咧？咁記得留言話俾我知啦。如果你哋覺得有用咧，就記得 like 同 subscribe 支持我啦。咁如果你哋想知更多澳洲嘅資訊咧，又或者學更多澳洲嘅英文啦，咁我哋下次繼續一齊 practice 啦。咁下條片咧，又希望可以同大家分享我呢度揾到嘅 hidden gem 啦。下次見，拜拜。